So now,
Yes.
when we were talking about it, I wanted to ask you this question. Cool. So we have developed a cohort. We have like developed small stuff out there. Why would I, as a developer, actually complete the whole thing or actually complete the task? So you said there might be a job opportunity at the end of it, but that's like towards the end. People tend to follow small goals, right? So how do you actually do that? How to actually motivate people?
Right. So as Juanpa already said, like there is ton of research available on cohort learning. But yeah, so answering your question, we it depends on the implementation, right? Uh, there and that implementation depends on the kind of audience you have. So if that audience is really beginner, right? They are in the exploration stage. You might want to have milestones, right, which they will cover
Hmm.
as they proceed in the cohort, and those milestones can be consecutive. And I am a strong advocate uh, counting small wins and then utilizing, or I would say rewarding that as the next step. So for example, it could be that if everyone who will complete this milestone will proceed to the next step, and we have
Right.
even more fun stuff, or more learning, and then like gradually you go towards the end of the cohort. And this implementation might be good for the beginner audience, while for more experienced or intermediate
Mm-hmm.
audience who already have a job aspect at the end, they might not need this, but you would still want to have some kind of touch point in between. For example, it could be just having opportunities for them to share their experiences so far, or
Right.
just connecting with their fellow learners over a live Q&A, something like that. So that
Right.
kind of experience in which someone who has already completed the cohort is coming, and then sharing
Mm-hmm.
their ideas, something like that. So they uh, they will look forward to it. So it can be made as a reward that everyone who
Right.
will proceed in the cohort until here will be invited to that particular experience, or session with the alumni, something like that. So
Right.
I think that should do in most of the
Mm-hmm.
cases.
Right.
Definitely individual's motivation is really is the key, and hence
Mm-hmm.
that is what sets cohort based learning programs apart from just other public learning MOOC, or in which you are just publishing a video on YouTube or something like that, right?
Right.
Because you have a curated audience here already. These are the
Mm-hmm.
people who are dedicating something. Uh, they are committing to something, and hence
Right.
them not trying before finally giving up, the chances are rare.
Mm-hmm. Right,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
like, making it exclusive is one of the biggest things. Making like small wins is one of the biggest things, and that's how
Yes,
people actually move forward. And
yes.
if somebody has achieved a bit, they will be inclined towards achieving more, and that actually helps you structure these programs better, I guess.